Welcome to the G-Series Atmosphere ceramic replacement video. This video will show the steps required to replace the two ceramics which create the water vapor within the nebulization system. It is suggested the ceramics be replaced on a biannual basis to keep the system running smoothly. This photo shows the nebulizer disconnected from the case, as explained in the prior nebulization unit cleaning video. Unscrew the fan housing screws. Using a socket wrench, unscrew the cap screw in the top of the ceramic pump housing as shown here. Remove the housing cover and set it aside. This picture shows the ceramic cap covers which are screwed in place over the ceramics. Next, unscrew the cap screws that cover the electrical board so you can expose the wiring connected to the ceramics. After flipping the cover over, rest it on the bottom pegs to hold it in place. Note the two orange wire connectors and their position on the board. Pull the two orange connectors free. Using a small screwdriver, disconnect the red and black wires that go to the ceramics as shown in this clip. Once the wires are free, disconnect and remove the ceramics as shown. This shows the nebulizer unit with the ceramics removed. The new ceramic parts look like this. The ceramics are placed in their blue covers with the writing side down. Reinstall the new ceramics as shown. Note that the writing on the ceramic shows through the cover's hole. Each set of ceramic wires will be fed through the grommet to be reconnected to the board. It is easiest to do one set at a time. Once the two sets of wires are through the grommet hole, feed the wire into each section of the orange connector and screw them together securely. You will have one red and one black wire attached to each orange connector. Note the wire positions in reference to the orange connectors. Make sure the wires are securely screwed in by gently tugging on them. The wires from the left ceramic will plug into the closest connector. The wires from the right ceramic will plug into the furthest connector. Plug into the bottom two terminals. Confirm wires are in location indicated. Now we are ready to close the electrical board cover. Flip the cover containing the electrical board over and place it on the pegs. Secure the cover with the cap screws. Put the ceramic pump housing cover back on and screw in the fan screws. Now the nebulizer is ready to be put back on the atmosphere case. Proceed as instructed in previous video titled Nebulization Unit Cleaning. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out our entire video series on atmosphere cleaning and maintenance procedures. For further information on structural concepts, please visit our website.